All right, so we're going to go over the Unit 3 quiz together. So this is a review for the quiz. Okay, so for the quiz, you're going to need to know proofreader marks. You're going to need to know code combinations. And you're going to need to know like different types of fonts. All right, so number one, you need to know the difference between save and save as. Remember, save just changes the document. Save as allows you to change the file name. Number two, you need to know your proofreader marks. So which one of these indicates an author should put a text in the middle? The last one, right? This means put the text in the middle. 3, when would you use a numbered list? When the items on a list need to be in a particular order, then you would number it. What cuts text? Remember, Control X is cut, Control C is copy, Control S is save, Control O is open, so that would be Control X. So in the videos about font, the guy that goes over them, he talks about different fonts. Serif. This is a serif font. How we know that is like on the N, these little marks right there. Which of the following is used to create a new document? Remember, Control O is open, Control N is new. So what lets it stand? Remember, that's the dots underneath. That means it's fine. What button is used for numbered list? The numbered button. This one is bullets. This button right here looks like justified, and this button down here looks like table. When you use a bulleted list, when you need items on the list, but you don't really care, you don't need them in a particular order, right? 10, what type of font is applied? Underline. There's an underline on there, right? 11, what proofreader mark says you need to align the text vertically? Well, which one is up and down? Vertical is up and down. The first one, right? Heading shown here is an example of what type? That's in the center. So it's a centered heading. Which opens a document? Control plus O. Remember, that's open. And what do we need to do if we're going to insert a period? You put the period and you circle it. All right, so your quiz is going to look like this, 14 to 15 questions. You have unlimited attempts. So please take the quiz until you get a 70 or above.